Truckinginjs.
Truckinginjs.
You gonna get it here, what?
Yeah. Hey man, welcome to the channel, man. We've been doing this for about 4 months now. We just want to take y'all along on the journey, let y'all see what we do, see what we got. Introduce you to the truck, old Big Bertha right here.
Old Big Bird.
International 4300. She been running good for us. 26-foot box truck with a lift gate. Got about 343,000 miles on it so far. Get that logo. Yeah, man, she been running good. But basically on this channel, what we want to do for y'all, we want to take y'all along with the journey. It's me, my brother, my wife Jamila, my brother Nick. Did we say your name?
Yeah.
Nick.
This Nick.
Okay.
I'm the cameraman for the day.
Yeah, we at the storage right now. We come park it here. We park our cars, then we get the truck, then we go and we come back. But basically, this is what we got, man. We do Amazon runs. We got contacts with a direct shipper. We got a broker that contact us. So we're gonna take y'all along as we do our thing. All right, man. So why we Truckinginjs?
Huh?
Good. Hey man, so why we Truckinginjs?
You know why we Truckinginjs? Why we Truckinginjs?
Truckinginjs got them bread 11s on. So this is what we do, man. We changing the appearance of truck drivers. No more old fat men, young fat men now. Yeah, man.
Hey, get a logo real quick, man. You know, we got this custom logo. You know,
custom logo. Yep.
Anderson Trucking and Transport.
Yep. So
just walk around the back. You know, this the battery if y'all ain't know.
The battery.
So you know, just in case you not familiar with truck.
70-gallon fuel tank.
If you wondering where we got the truck from, you know, this guy right here, he hook you up, he restored the whole thing for you, sandblast the bottom, do everything you need.
Yep, man. You gonna pay a little more, but you ain't got to worry about it breaking down on you.
Hello. Yep.
Cause if the wheels ain't moving, you ain't making no money.
Yep, he changed out new bump stops. That's the lift gate if y'all ain't know. Check that out.
Lift gate. We just want to show y'all our equipment, and we're gonna try to do videos real often for y'all, kind of keep y'all updated on our progress. Our goal is to, right now, me, my wife, and Nick, all three of us still work 9 to 5s. The goal is to pay off this truck first, cause I ain't got paid yet. You got paid yet?
No, I ain't got paid.
I ain't got a dime yet. So every dime that we making, we putting it towards the truck and saving up towards maintenance. Man, you definitely want to save up for maintenance. You never know what's gonna happen. Something can go down at any moment, and you got to have the money to get it fixed so you can make some more money, of course.
Yeah, we had a little small issue at first. The air compressor went out one day when I was driving. It was hot, but hey, you got to thug it out. Yep. Just go do what you got to do. We got it fixed. Had the money saved up already, so that was A+ on that.
Yep. Got that done real quick, so that way we can get back on it. Well, we were still on the road. We just had to take a few days to get it put on and everything, so that slowed us down a little bit. But yeah, man, all I can say is go for it, man. If this is what you want to do, at least, I mean, if you got to start out renting a truck, I don't recommend that because the overhead is so high, but at least get your feet wet, see how it's working. But yeah, like I said, we do Amazon runs. We're gonna show y'all our day-to-day on that, tips and tricks, what we recommend to do. So stay tuned to the channel, man. Yep. You got anything else to say?
I got some more stuff I can't think right now.
We're at it.
And now we're gonna show y'all the back of the truck. You know, if you know how to use the lift gate, you got a little switch right here that you hold down on until it hit the floor. Then you just come in here, flip it down, do the extra flap, and now you can go up.
And it's self-leveling.
Struggle now yet. Alright.
Pallet jack back there.
Yeah, but you need to get you some low bars. Oh my bad. Let me bring you along for the ride. All right, what you do? what you need to get is some low bars, all right? That's these, at least 2. And we got like 6, 7, 8 scraps. You know, we got pallet jack. Got the pallet jack right here. And it's 26-foot box. It got lights. All right. That one acting up. It'll turn on eventually. But yeah, man, you can fit about 12 Amazon pallets back here. And you have extra room for them little loose boxes they be having.
The box is 103 by 102. 90. The measurements at the door is 97 tall, 97 inches tall, 94 inches wide. So yeah, man, we don't run into too many problems. Some I see they want you to have instead of roll-up door, they want you to have a swing door. So sometimes you might run into that when you're looking on the load board. But yeah, man, keep up with us, man. Follow us, subscribe.
Yep, and the height of the whole truck is 13 feet 6 inches. And we have to be careful of that when you're going on them bridges. Double check while you ride.
We're gonna show you what you need to know. If you wanna know, we're gonna show you.
All right, y'all. We holler at y'all later. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you the inside. This ain't nothing spectacular, but it gets the job done, you know. And they redid the interior. They hooked us up, and we're gonna show you everything you need. So you DOT compliance and all that. That's right.
Yep.
And we'll show you all the paperwork up there. You know, yeah. We'll show you all that one day.
Comment down below, man. If y'all want to see videos on how to get started, we can get my wife on a question and answer session. She get us paid. Well, get the company paid, because once again, I ain't got paid yet.
And me neither. Don't forget that.
Hey man, but we still having fun, man. We getting it done, and I get up my days that I'm off. Nick run Wednesday through
Monday.
Cut.
I run Monday through Thursday, and I be working. I get the job done. They call me Nick Quick. You know what I mean?
And I do Friday through Saturday. So we running 7 days a week, man. We trying to get it done. I mean, we get up like we getting paid, but because we know it's a bigger goal in mind, so we're gonna just keep thugging it out, like Nick said. And we gonna get it. We gonna. The goal is pay this truck off, get another truck, quit my job. I try to quit every day, but they won't let me quit.
Yeah, this man complain about quitting his job every day. I want to
quit every day, but so and then we're gonna pay this truck off, get another truck, look into hot shot. Man, I've been seeing dump trucks, but man, we learning. We don't claim to know it all. Of course, we don't know it all. You got some tips for us. We got some tips for you. Yeah, reach out to us. Comment down below with questions you got, whatever kind of videos y'all want. But we're gonna show y'all some content, because I know I like watching the Amazon runs and different runs, dropping stuff off. Nick get the fun loads. I mostly do Amazon, but Nick got the direct shippers, and we can't tell you who it is.
Yeah, we don't can't tell you everything.
Can't tell you everything. But yeah, man, we in South Carolina, so we getting it done, man.
Yeah, when y'all come with me, you know what? We're gonna have a good time. Because I definitely be working when he go. Me, yeah. I just sit back and let them load me, and then I come, drop it off, and let them unload. So everything gonna be good.
Yeah, man, we gonna let y'all.
But I'm gonna try to get y'all some good footage every now and then. You know what I mean? I do have to be safe and drive.
Yeah.
So, but I'll talk to you a little bit.
Hey, tell them why they call you Nick the Quick.
You know why they call me Nick the Quick? Well, I be that quick, drop it off quick.
Okay. And you drive quick. That's how you got that ticket.
Yeah.
Tell them about that.
Let me tell you about that little ticket right here. What happened was, I'm gonna let you know what happened. I didn't see where the speed limit changed with construction. What's that? Oh, my bad.
That's your shit.
Cut. Playing music, my bad. But yeah, I was going speeding. Yeah, I was speeding in the construction zone. My bad. Construction zone. Try that one more time. Yeah. So he said he clocked me at 66 and a 55. I begged to differ because this Great Bertha is slow.
Yeah.
So I couldn't be going too fast.
Yeah,
everybody else was passing me. So, but it is what it is. I might get a lawyer. You know, why not?
Yeah, but
you know what I mean. But we'll see.
But yeah, man, we're gonna show y'all. We're gonna show y'all the real, the ups, the downs, the real ins and outs. We ain't claiming to be rich, none of that. But we gonna, man, you hustle, you get out what you put in. So that's what we doing, man. All right, we got these headlights right here.
Got the headlights.
Yeah, I don't know the brand. I mean, it's Farron Forester LED lighting. We're gonna put these on because they, you know, LED instead of the halogen. That'll help with the, you know, with the brightness. So
yeah, then I could have seen that policeman clocking me if I could see.
yeah, so we got you know, help your headlights from getting yellowed and everything. So we're gonna throw these on. We don't know if it's gonna be in this video or the next video, but man, stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, let us know what you want to see in the future, and we'll get it to you. All right.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what's under the hood. You know, when you're looking for a 26-foot box truck, make sure you and if it's international Freightliner, Hino. I heard Hino good, you know, from some other YouTube subscribers. But make sure you get that Cummins, okay? I don't know, I heard so many bad reviews on the Duramax.
Durstar
Max Force, my bad.
Yeah, but this the 6.7 liter Cummins with the Allison transmission. Man, it's been doing us good so far. We done did about 40,000 miles on it so far since we had it. Like we said, the only issue we've had, a major issue, was the AC compressor.
And you see that new one right here, if you can see it.
Got that new AC compressor,
New belt.
yeah, and the other stuff they said they had to do too. And
we don't know nothing about.
Yeah, and then we had to get a we just had a sensor replaced. And that's it. That cost us $100. AC compressor total was like $1,300. So yeah, man, you got, like I said, keep your maintenance money ready, and then so that way anything come up, you got it. But what we about to do for y'all now is we're gonna go ahead and change these headlights. We're gonna upgrade to LED.
First thing you want to do if you want to change your headlight, this is your headlight, all right? You say if you want to lock it, you turn to the right, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Boom.
Set that to the side. Don't lose that, please.
Don't lose that.
All right. You gonna copy me or what? You know you got a blue clip. Just unclip that. Hold on, I can't see if Big Boy get off.
My bad. Let me get out of the way, man. I'm trying to get this for the people, man. Okay.
That's the plug in. All right.
All right. And now what we're gonna do is, before we take that out, let's make sure we got the right thing, man.
Yeah. Cause okay, I want over here.
All right. But yeah, man, this the house, and man, it should be real quick, simple, plug and play replacement. Take your time. You don't want to rush it and be done messed up something that you can't fix. But let us check to make sure we got the right stuff before we make any big changes, and we get back with you.
2 hours later.
All right, Sean, what you do next, man?
All right, next is a little black, another secure piece. You just turn it to the left and pull out. All right, just set it to the side. Leave it like how it is. You don't want to change nothing. Don't flip it. You get messed up.
All right.
Then now you just pull the light straight out. All right.
And we're gonna keep these, and we're gonna put these in the replacement box. So if one of these go out while we ride, we'll be able to change the light, because you got to stay DOT compliant. 9,007.
9,007. We good.
All right. So with these lights right here, the good thing about them, the LED, they're gonna run cooler. They got a fan on it. They're supposed to last longer. It's supposed to be brighter. So can't lose.
I guess it don't matter, huh? All right, hold on. Get it to sit flush. Once you get the light lined up, just put this black clip
Start over.
All right, start over.
Here we go.
All right, once you get the black piece back on, you just turn it back in place to the righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Make sure it's locked.
Make sure it's locked. It ain't going no way.
Okay.
And now,
it's plug and play. We're gonna figure out how to rig this up.
Yeah, with this cap, we didn't think about that part.
We're gonna give us a second. We're gonna figure it out. We'll be right back.
2 hours later.
All right, once you get the light in place, tuck all that stuff down in there. Get your cap, back blue. Now get your cap, then turn it to locking position.
Make sure it's locked.
And you good to go.
All right. We gonna
Save this. Save it, just in case.
Don't throw it away.
Just in case. Just in case.
Oh shit. I mean. All right, man, we trucking in J's.
Trucking in J's.
I'm Devin.
I'm Nick.
Follow along the journey, man. We'll holler at y'all.
Holla.
Peace.
Peace.